Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. A number of impressive sets delivered by dancehall's top tier at the annual Ghetto Splash event. The event held at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium recently saw performances echoing sentiments of love and unity at this year's staging of the free concert. Take a look at some of the highlights.
Sing hallelujah. Praise the Rastafari. And I'm praising God. It was about 12 to pray. Put the stand up in the come and see a yard. The lightning stops us when it is I don't think they come to make it cry. That chance if them tries to give it. I say, free don't say, don't sky pass. Wicked walk to put your mouth for. I got the most good man. Not on my graveyard. Graveyard. The wickedest man that lives on my graveyard. Everybody can jump. Everybody can jump. Do that. Everybody go up! Never watch everything everywhere we are not see the hard way. Let me do physical career now. Never wonder if you know bad mind we have the hand in the ear from me heart down there. Yes sir! Fire shot, not good, powder.
Jamaican Grammy nominees retained their placements in the top 10 Billboard ranking. The Grammy-nominated album Stony Hill from Damon Marley is at number 4. Morgan Heritage's Abracadabra is number 6, and Chronology by Chronix takes the number 7 spot. On the other hand, Jesse Royal's Lily of the Valley and Sizzla's I'm Yours finishes in the top 10 listing in 9 and 10 respectively. That's 5 Jamaican performers in the top 10 spots this week on the chart. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.